V-280 Valor in 2026. America's airborne spearhead of precision and speed. What if a helicopter could outrun jets and strike with pinpoint precision? In 2026, the Bell V-280 Valor is no longer just a prototype, it's a fully integrated part of the U.S. Army's future vertical lift arsenal. Sleek, fast, and deadly, the upgraded V-280 represents a leap in rotary wing warfare, combining the speed of a plane with the agility of a helicopter. 2026 upgrades, from transport to tactical dominance. The 2026 variant of the V-280 Valor isn't just about speed, it's about mission dominance. Modular weapon pods, equipped with precision-guided rockets, autocannons, and drone-launching bays. AI-enhanced fire control system, lock, track, and engage enemies in milliseconds. Combat network integration, real-time communication with UAVs, ground forces, and satellites. Stealth rotor tech, reduces noise and radar signature, enhancing survivability in contested zones. Reinforced airframe, improved crash resistance, heavy lift capability, and crew protection. Hybrid propulsion system, boosts range, reduces heat signature, and allows for silent infiltration missions. With a cruise speed over 280 knots and vertical takeoff capability, the V-280 can insert troops, strike targets, and extract units faster than any conventional helicopter. It replaces the UH-60 Black Hawk, but brings a whole new level of speed, range, and firepower. Whether flying over deserts, jungle terrain, or urban war zones, the Valor flies where others hesitate, and strikes before the enemy can react. The V-280 Valor isn't just the future of transport, it's the future of airborne assault. As warfare evolves towards speed, stealth, and data dominance, Valor proves that air mobility can still be lethal. Built for tomorrow's battlefield, armed for today's threats, this is the spearhead of a new generation.